When I was in Italy this summer, I went to a wonderful lady's home in Venice. Her name's Rosa. She leads a cooking class. She taught us how to make homemade pasta, a beautiful baked veggie dish, and tiramisu. It was beautiful. We had a great time. We drank wine the whole time. It was such an amazing experience that I want to bring it here and put my 20 plus years of restaurant work and cooking. I have become a pretty good cook. You can ask my friends over the last couple of years. And I bought all the stuff to make homemade pasta and was wondering if you would be interested. I want to start a cooking class in my home, and I want to start with pasta making. Please let me know if this is something you would be interested in attending. I probably have a room for about 10 people. It'll be intimate, it'll be fun. I'll provide wine and all the materials. Also, moving forward with this cooking event that I've cooked up in my head, let me know what else you want to cook. I can cook anything, really. I make a perfect turkey. I also make baklava. If you're ever interested in how to make baklava, that could be a class as well. I make it every Christmas. I'm about ready to make some in a couple of weeks. Let me know in the comments if you're interested. I would love to have this event at my house and invite you in.